As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is presently 5 cents, by and large genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost examination truly is negative today in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking in an especially significant manner. Doge basically rose 2.69% in 7 days in an actually genuinely large manner. The 30th of April 2023. In this video we'll truly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for by and large, especially 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these as often as possible in every practical sense. Clarified some things. What truly is, all things considered, genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Explicitly is Doge an actually genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth in an entirely of large way, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683, which explicitly is very huge. The very extremely complete exchanging volume certainly by and large stands at $29,197,739,992, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683, which especially generally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which essentially is very huge in an exceptionally significant manner, which in a real sense certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span and in every practical sense, quite enormous way. XRP, the beautiful kind of local coin of XRP, especially in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.84 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, which fundamentally is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense really show that the market sort of in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for genuinely momentary in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a general quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there sort of in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very especially whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Actually further appearance how Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers basically become all the more by and large dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants basically become especially dynamic and explicitly really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is at 8 cents, down 1.85% in the truly beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 2.69% over the course of the week, showing that right now, a truly broad negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So market examination over the very last 24 hours, there quite was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683 $439,266,683 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 259,845,315.00 US dollars, while most certainly absolute market cap came to $11,143,973,870 USD, which is very huge, which truly is genuinely critical. There explicitly are practically 139,154,856,384 sort of are available for use out of 139,154,856,384 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time span for the most part made sense of underneath, exhibiting how which actually by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, which generally is genuinely huge. We utilize most certainly truly relative strength index, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly beautiful straightforward moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving normal to basically certainly investigate the future development of the Dogecoin. So support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly truly become genuinely more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which actually really is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. While Doge's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. An exchange sort of truly signal truly is essentially truly conceivable at this reach, or so they in every practical sense, for the most part thought. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid. So while Doge's Williams %R pointer explicitly truly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, the exchange actually genuinely signal generally is very conceivable at this reach in a significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in a decently essentially enormous manner. The very relative strength record demonstrates that the Dogecoin in a real sense in every practical sense is an oversold stage, as RSI most certainly is at 24. So while Doge's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, an exchange sort of sign in a real sense is entirely conceivable at this reach in a sort of significant manner incredibly. And Dogecoin fundamentally explicitly has really scarcely any recuperation risks, and could by and large especially keep testing quick opposition level of 6 cents before very long. Pretty further appearance how which for the most part essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.